We have another piecewise function here, but hopefully you remember that this is a special one. This is a step function. This is just another way of writing it, okay? So don't worry about this symbol. All right, we're just gonna focus on this. Okay, so we've got the line -2, which is, remember, y equals -2, so it's horizontal. And and here it is, but I'm going from -2 to -1. Oh, this is gonna be little tiny. And it's closed at 2 and open at -1. Then we have the line -1 going from -1 to 0. I should have done this in different colors. Okay, 0, my line 0, if it goes from 0 to 1. Now watch these because sometimes they skip. This one doesn't, but sometimes they'll skip, like you saw in the homework. So here's 1, and it is going from 1 to 2. That's tiny. Okay, what is my domain? Well, remember, it's starting at -2 and it's ending at 2. You can see it. It goes from here to there. So my domain is -2 less than or equal to x, but then here it's just less than 2. My range, this is when I'm able to just look at it, you know, like this. My range is -2. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. -2, -1, 0, and 1. Okay. I believe that this means, when it has a little thing, that this means it's a step function and that the lower number is filled in. Okay? Pretty sure that's what that one means. Okay, I haven't really run across that much in my math career, but there it is. All right, last two. We're going to write the functions this time. Okay, so if this didn't say it was a piecewise, I would say that this was an absolute value function. It looks like an absolute value function. But because it says piecewise, we're going to treat it that way. So I'm going to go from left to right. This line right here has a negative slope. The slope is 1/1, so it's 1x. And it has a y-intercept of 3. And it cuts off at 3. So this is where x is less than 3. And I'm going to leave this less than there for a minute. Okay, the other one is positive slope and a slope of 1. So it's just x. And this one, if I came down, I would have a y-intercept of -3. So I have x minus 3, and x, I'm only taking the part that's bigger than 3, so I'm pointing in that direction. But this is filled in. And I can't have both of them filled in, otherwise it wouldn't be a function. It wouldn't pass the vertical line test. So it doesn't matter, I'm just going to pick one. Okay? All right, this one. Again, I'm going to go left to right. I see that this is going to change at 2. So this number will be 2 instead of 3. I have this line right here, and it has a positive slope, and my slope is 2/1. So I have 2x, and my y-intercept is 2, 1, 0, -1. And this is where x is less than or equal to, because I have the dot filled in, 2. And then this is just y equals 4. It's a horizontal line. And this is where x is greater than, it's pointing, greater than 2. All right, there it is. Please, 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 as always, if you have questions, please come in and talk to me before school, during lunch, after school, during my office hour, my room hours, and I will be happy to help you.